Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. If your goal is to please everyone, you will always fall short. You will never make everyone happy.
If today were the last day of your life, would you want to do what you are about to do today? Jobs said he looked in the mirror every morning and asked himself that question, and whenever the answer was no for many days in a row, he knew he needed to make a change. Facing ourselves in the mirror and asking this question to ourselves can help us determine if what we're doing is truly important, and whether your plans for the day actually line up with your priorities.